How to speed up video in CapCut. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, go ahead and launch your CapCut application. Make sure that your application is up to date. First step is to select a video, so go ahead and do that. Wait until your video loads up. Now to speed up a video, you can select a particular section. For that, tap on the video, select split, then again tap on split and select the section where you want it to speed up. Select the option of speed from this option, then tap on normal. Drag to the right to speed up your video, and if you give it a play, you will see the particular section speeding up. If you want the whole video to speed up, all you have to do is tap on the video, then select the speed option, select normal, and drag to the right hand side and give it a tick mark. Now if you give it a play, you will see that your video has been speed up. Isn't it simple? You can manage the speed of the video by tapping on the normal option at the bottom. Drag the cursor to the left or to right to manage the speed of the video. Now once you are done, tap on the tick mark. And that is exactly how you can speed up your video on CapCut. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.